Hi and welcome to Fresh from my garden. These are our water lily plants that we grow from seed, and in today's video I'm sharing how to easily germinate these seeds. These are some mixed colored water lily seeds that we purchased online. So you can see that these seeds have two ends, one with the hole and the other with the pointy side. So we need to rub the part of the seed that has the hole on a piece of sandpaper so that we can expose the embryo of the seed inside. Rub the side of the seed in which you can see the tiny hole and then rub it until you see the white part of the seed inside. Drop this in a bowl of water and leave it in a bright lit area for 3 to 4 days. After 3-4 days you can start seeing the germination on these seeds. Be very careful when you're handling them because the little seedling or the germinated part can get detached from the seed inside if not handled carefully. So after a few more days you can see that these germinated seedlings are starting to grow. Then you can plant them into a tub of water. For that we need to fill a bowl with garden soil mixed with cow dung manure. Press it gently so that the soil doesn't leak into the tub when you're placing it in. These seeds are now almost more than a week old. So now you can carefully take each seed and place it into the soil. Make sure you don't damage these seedlings when you are planting them because they are very fragile. This process is very important when you are trying to grow water lily or lotus from seed. It is very difficult for the water to penetrate into the seed due to the hard coat, and the seeds will not germinate if you do not remove a part of this hard coat so that the white embryo is exposed to the water. Once these seeds have been planted into the soil, you can place this bowl into a tub of water. Make sure that the soil has been pressed down well so that it doesn't leak into the water tub. We also have a few guppy fish in this tub of water. Place this tub in a place where it gets enough direct sunlight so that these plants can grow well. Water lily and lotus plants require sunlight for them to be able to bloom well. This is another tub in which we had planted few water lily seeds. You can see at the base of the tub there is another pot in which we have planted these water lily seeds. This has been taken 2 days after this plant was potted. You can see how the leaf buds are starting to grow on these lily plants. Lilies or lotus plants take a few months when it is grown from seed before it can start flowering. So now we are eagerly waiting for them to bud and start flowering. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching Fresh from my garden.